They want pictures of us, so I said, your crew, the people? We've been playing Slovenia music, football music.
Really? It's a tiebreaker. Slovenia has more points, so they'll probably...
Okay.
The down kicks up kind of heavy.
In big America, a small Slovenian guy has so many fans. It's amazing feeling. I mean.
In Ohio, were there little?
Oh yeah, Ohio. Yeah, there was. Yeah, really. Every year. Last year I was coming there in 2 in the morning, and it's a crowd of people, and I couldn't believe that's happening. Yeah, really. You know, in RAM, it's very important that you have positive thoughts all the time. You know, and if this happens, something like this, like cheering about the people you never met, it's especially for me.
That looks amazing.
First. Come on. Take it.
Do you hear the American side, Slovenia, in the soccer?
Yeah, God.
Football.
Oh, I made sure of it. I made sure he heard.
Total miles do you ride per year?
40,000 kilometers.
What's your favorite American movie?
No, quite a lot of them, but American Pie. Race, or when the race is on the calendar, you train and living like a professional every day. You know, nutrition, sleeping, resting, training, everything.
No, Montiash already traded your bike for a three-wheeler.
Yeah.
Yeah. He passed me. That's why I have water. You know, I want to.
Yeah.
Colorado. I'll go slow. Rob's from Colorado.
The hair is real.
My daughter's doing what you're doing. The Navy torpedo.
Home Depot trucks.
Exactly. And which is why I hang out.